Hi guys, this is just a quick video of my garden in the sunshine this morning, on a Thursday morning. Really good. See, trespassers will be composted. That's my shed. The Bruce. There's a lampshade my dad made. Absolutely beautiful weather. There's the back wall. My dad did all this. Really cool. This is the wishing well. My dad did that with the roses display at the bottom. And Sammy the snail. So cute. Got a little one there. Windmill. Another windmill. A lighthouse, shall I say. And now to rockery. I love the rockery. It's really nice. I love the little ivy that's coming up here and going up to the clock, as you can see. It's really cool. I love that. And here's a palm tree. It's called a waving palm. I absolutely love that. We've had that for quite a few years. Beautiful. And there's the owl. There's a garden table, as you can see. Plenty of flowers here, folks. Some beautiful flowers. Please comment if you like this video, as I'm taking it and exploring you around my exquisite garden. And there's another bumblebee there. You get some really cool things from the shops. So, and there's my back window, and there's another basket. Obviously accessories for the garden and stuff. Sorry about mess, folks. Now this is beautiful. Look at that. So colourful. That's the hanging basket. There's my arch. And this is beautiful. Look at that. Look at it just swimming. Look at it shimmering in the wind. And as you can tell, you can hear the wind chimes in the background. I know Aurora said she likes that, so there you go, Aurora. There's the wind chime that's been doing them beautiful noises. Here we have the Buddha. The rock, a little bit of rock scenery there. Good eye. And yeah, so like I said, please like and subscribe if you like this video. There'll be more videos coming up like this, where I'll be exploring and showing you things in my journey. And yeah, so as we proceed to the back window, you can see all these on the shelves. Beautiful. Just look at them. Look how beautiful they are. So beautiful. Obviously paint tubs. Another one there, look, which is really cool. Got some nice moss around there, nice green water. This as well. Pinky the pig. And this, if I go up quietly, you can see the birds feeding. Look at that. Absolutely wonderful. And this is called a honeysuckle. And you can see the birds feeding. Look at that. How beautiful is that? They come out every morning and they're absolutely stunning. They feed on our feeders every morning, every day, all day. And it's absolutely beautiful. Just to capture the essence of life of nature is absolutely wonderful. Okay folks, thank you very much for watching this video, and like I said, please like and subscribe if you like this, or if you want more of this, it's fine. As we watch the birds for a little bit longer, they'll be coming down to feed again. There you go. beautiful. They're so beautiful birds. And all they just do is just feed all day. They're absolutely beautiful. Okay, thanks for watching this video. And like I said, please like and subscribe. Okay folks, bye. Love you all.